tout le monde. I hope you're doing well. For spring break, I went to visit some family and we did some thrifting. That's one of my favorite things to do. And I found one of the coolest things ever. It's a slush cup. Now I know what you're thinking. Why does a grown woman need a slush cup? But I do. I need it. And I was so impressed. This isn't the slush cup that I found on my thrift find while I was visiting family. We found a pair. I left it there with them because this is actually quite heavy and my bag was just at the limit. So I just left that with them. So they have slush cups now. They enjoyed it too. And I ordered myself one when I got home. eBay. Right. Now I have a slush cup and I want to show you guys how it works. It's really cool. We froze a couple of things while I was out there visiting, but now I'm gonna do some with you. So let's get started. Bonjour y'all, I'm Miss Kate and this is Go Cuisine. Here we make cooking fun, easy, and adventurous. Let's dive in. So the instructions for this are quite simple. Place the inner cord in the freezer, pour in liquid, and enjoy. It does recommend not to use artificial sweetener. It says it doesn't work. I don't know why. But it does say we can use alcohol if we want to. Dun, dun, dun. We're just going to try it with some chocolate milk. You have to place this inner cord in the freezer for at least 6 hours. It says 6 to 18. Mine's been in the freezer 24 hours. And ta-da! Y'all thought I just had one. No, y'all know I'm excessive. And we're just going to pour in the liquid here. Now, it does recommend that we use a chilled liquid. I'm just going to put some chocolate milk in there because I love a frozen hot chocolate. And maybe this is a quicker way to get it for me. All right? And then it says to stir it every minute or so. Okay. The one that we found thrifting initially didn't have the spoon, and we just used a spoon that we had. So it's already starting to freeze along the sides. So you just go in there and gently scrape. You can see it's already freezing. And we're just going to stir it again and again every minute or so. So it's been just a few minutes. And yes, I spilled it being silly. But it's already starting to thicken up. Okay, those ice crystals are forming on the side. That is delightful. We did this with Coca-Cola. And we did this with some juice. It's fun. So there we go. After a few minutes of stirring, it is very thick. I'm almost tempted to do the blizzard flip. I know exactly what's in here because I put it in here. Okay, I cheated and used pre-made chocolate milk. But I mean, you want a nice frosty treat very quickly? There you go. I am so happy with this purchase. And it's cold enough that if you decide you want more, you can make a second slush. As long as your drink is cold already. I just gave myself brain freeze. So good. Brain freeze again. I got my slushy cup. And I've got a yogurt. So let's see if this freezes well. Yogurt goes in. Whoop! Maybe in the cup, not on the side. I did this in the last video, made a mess. It will be fine. And we wait and stir. Coffee yogurt is so good. So this isn't exactly liquid. this is gonna work. But this is what I wanted to try. This outside cover is supposed to protect your hands from the cold, but my hand is still getting cold, so just imagine if you didn't have it. Interesting things are happening. I don't know if this will be as fun as the chocolate milk. If you haven't liked this video or subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? I'm just waiting for you. Go ahead. I'll pause so you can click that subscribe button. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now we can continue. Look at this! In just a few minutes, again. So, that really good yogurt that I like, I can make kind of an ice cream with it and stir in some fruit. I'm excited. I'm excited. I will be coming up with more recipes for this doodad. Let me know in the comments if you're interested. And what would you put in here to make a slush? Talk to you later, guys. I gotta go eat this before it melts. Bye.